I don't trust to anyone. I don't trust even to myself. I don't trust to my friends. I don't trust to my wife. I don't trust even to my love. Today